Well, welcome back to the Home Lab, and I've got a quick video for you today, but a really interesting and fun experiment. This one uses really simple apparatus, and I think it's one you can safely try out at home, and in fact I think you'll find it quite useful. So, as ever with my videos, there's a little bit of a story to tell, and I want to tell you where I got the idea for this video from. It goes back, well, nearly 40 years to when I was a little boy in prep school, and I was probably only 9, 10, 11 years old, and the art teacher wanted to hand out bits of paper to everyone in the class, and without sort of showing off, he did something that was so clever. It's really impressed me ever since, and it's actually a really useful technique if you've got loads of sheets to hand out to people and you don't want to do that disgusting teacher thing, and I'm sure we've all done it, and especially during the COVID time, not a good idea, where you have to separate sheets of paper and you sort of lick your fingers and hand one out and lick again, which is a bit disgusting. This method will solve that completely using the physics of friction. So let me show you what my art teacher did, and I think he had a stack of mixed coloured sheets of paper and he wanted to make sure we all got sort of different colours to do our artwork with. So you take your stack of paper and all you need to do is just press down on it with your knuckle, okay, in the middle, quite hard, and then just rotate and keep going round in broadish circles and keep going, and I think this is really beautiful. As you keep doing it, you'll notice that each sheet separates from the one below it, and then it becomes really easy just to take the sheet off the top and get on with your artwork. So we better have a quick physics explanation of this. Now the mathematics of this is really quite complex and it's also very interesting. So what I'm going to do instead is just talk about what's going on. And it's not that easy to describe. So let's keep it fairly simple. That when you press on the centre, there's a force downwards, and that causes friction when you begin to move between your knuckle and the top sheet. And as you turn, that friction drags the top sheet around. But the frictional force felt by the next sheet is not quite as large, and so it isn't pulled round quite as well. Remember that it's feeling friction on the top and the bottom. And as you go down through the stack, the forces are such that each sheet doesn't get pulled round as much, so they spread out into this lovely fan-like shape. So I do hope you enjoyed that video. Now I'm sure there's slightly more physics going on here than I actually mentioned, but it's a little bit of fun, and I'll just end by saying what you can use it for. If you've got a stack of leaflets or something like that to hand out as well, why not put them on the desk and just do this? And it will enable people to come along and just pick up one and take it away with them. So I'll be making another video soon. Do stay to the end because I always put links at the end of all my videos. And if you liked it, please say you liked it and maybe subscribe. Anyway, I'll see you again soon.